One simple drink that can cleanse your body, fight infections, and boost energy. Most people don't know that mixing these two kitchen superfoods can transform your health in just days. Ginger fights inflammation and improves digestion, while garlic kills harmful bacteria, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens your immunity. It's a natural detox drink made by boiling fresh ginger and garlic in water. This combo helps reduce bloating, clear toxins, and protect your heart naturally. Best to drink warm on an empty stomach in the morning, or before bedtime for overnight cleansing. Boil 1 cup water with 1 2-inch ginger and 1 clove garlic for 5 minutes. Strain, sip slowly. Try this for a week and feel the difference. Stronger immunity, better digestion, and natural energy. Comment ginger plus garlic if you're ready to try it. Healing begins where nature starts.